Alam niyo ang ginawa ang mga veterano na senador na yan? Alam nila ang ginagawa nila eh. Ang ginawa nila, nag-office to office ang mga yan. Tapos, kinausap ang mga yan. In return na ibubuto nila si Soto maging presidente, i-oust nila si Chis Escudero, but in a promise that I want that committee. I want to be a chairman. You can have my vote, but I want that committee. Tignan niyo si Risa, ha? Bakit nagiging siya ang chairman ng health and demography, and that is bongo. It's okay, you can just do whatever you do with that president, but don't ever change whatever's already been given to them. Anong problema kay Marcolita doon sa Blue Ribbon Committee? Wala naman problema ah. Itong Lacson na to, he just want to prove himself. I do not know what he has been proving himself. Alam nyo, as in talaga, I used to admire this man. Yung ginawa niya ngayon, tinitignan ko yung style nila. I know, for a fact, kahit wala kami doon sa Senado, ganun ang ginawa nyo. From office to office yan na nagkakumpanya kayo, na ibuto natin, i-oust natin si Escudero, tapos ganito. In return, we will give you this and we will give you this committee. We will give you this. Walang kaalam-alam ang iba eh. And you call that as a principle? You call that as a service to the people of the Philippines? Alam nyo na the investigation is ongoing. Dapat inintay nyo na kung he is incompetent to do the job that has been given to them, that's the time that you're going to do something. Wala eh. Kaya kayo din, ikaw Soto at saka ikaw Lacson, may tinatakpan kayo dyan, tignan natin, we are going to watch. Masakit po ito kasi tax ng bayan ang ginagamit ang mga ito. And you know it well na talagang ito ay seryoso. It's very discouraging. Very angry.